The study of amphibians. The study of amphibians. In this video, we will explore the fascinating world of amphibians, their characteristics, and their importance in the ecosystem. Amphibians are a diverse group of animals that include frogs, toads, salamanders, and caecilians. They are found in almost every habitat on Earth, from deserts to rainforests, and from freshwater to saltwater. One of the most unique characteristics of amphibians is their ability to live both on land and in water. This dual lifestyle is made possible by their skin, which is thin, moist, and permeable to gases and water. This allows them to breathe through their skin, which is especially important when they are underwater. Amphibians also have a three-chambered heart, which allows them to pump blood to their lungs and then to the rest of their body. This is different from mammals and birds, which have a four-chambered heart. Another interesting fact about amphibians is that they undergo metamorphosis, which is a process of transformation from a larval stage to an adult stage. This process involves changes in their body shape, behavior, and diet. Now that we have an overview of what amphibians are, let's take a closer look at their characteristics and behavior. The study of amphibians. Amphibians have a number of unique characteristics and behaviors that make them fascinating creatures to study. Let's take a closer look at some of these traits. As mentioned earlier, amphibians have thin, moist skin that is permeable to gases and water. This allows them to breathe through their skin, which is especially important when they are underwater. However, this also makes them vulnerable to environmental toxins and pollutants, which can be absorbed through their skin. Many amphibians hibernate during the winter months to conserve energy and survive the cold temperatures. Some species, such as wood frogs, can even freeze solid and survive by producing a natural antifreeze in their blood. Amphibians have a variety of reproductive strategies, including external fertilization where the female lays eggs and the male fertilizes them outside of the body, and internal fertilization where the male fertilizes the eggs inside the female's body. Some species also exhibit parental care, where the parents protect and care for their offspring. Amphibians exhibit a wide range of behaviors, from the complex courtship rituals of some frog species to the solitary and secretive behavior of some salamanders. Some species are also known for their vocalizations, such as the loud croaking of bullfrogs. Amphibians play an important role in the ecosystem as both predators and prey. They help control insect populations and provide food for larger predators. They also serve as indicators of environmental health, as their sensitivity to environmental changes makes them good indicators of pollution and habitat destruction. In the next segment, we will explore the different types of amphibians and their unique adaptations. The study of amphibians. There are three main types of amphibians: frogs and toads order Neura, salamanders and newts order Chordata, and caecilians order Gynophorina. Each type has unique adaptations that allow them to survive in their respective habitats. Frogs and toads are the most well-known type of amphibians. They have long, powerful hind legs that allow them to jump great distances and swim efficiently. They also have a specialized tongue that can shoot out and catch prey in a fraction of a second. Some species of frogs and toads also have toxic skin secretions that protect them from predators. Salamanders and newts are characterized by their long, slender bodies and tails. They have 4 legs and are excellent climbers, able to scale trees and other vertical surfaces. Some species of salamanders also have the ability to regenerate lost limbs. Caecilians are the least well-known type of amphibians. They are legless and resemble worms or snakes. They live primarily in the tropics and have adapted to living underground, burrowing through soil and leaf litter. Some species of caecilians also have specialized sensory tentacles on their heads that allow them to detect prey in the dark. All amphibians are important members of their respective ecosystems, playing important roles as both predators and prey. However, many species of amphibians are currently threatened or endangered due to habitat destruction, pollution, and climate change. It is important that we continue to study and protect these fascinating creatures for future generations to enjoy.